Hi guys, hey people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know this is different. I know. I'm sure you're wondering what is going on. So guys, first of all, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell, that tiny bell near the subscribe button, like this video, comment, drop your views, anything, encourage me, and share with your friends, of course. So guys, today I'm hiking for the first time ever in my entire life. I'm super excited. So you all know I'm in Bauchi, right? From my NYSC videos and all. And there are a lot of rocks, mountains, I don't even know what to call it, but I'm going to show you all everything. There are a lot of rocks, mountains here. So today we decided, the coppers, we decided to just move our bodies a little. Today is Saturday. So guys, come along and enjoy this wonderful experience with me, this adventure. And
we will have the vlog.
I'm super excited. I'm not going to lie. So I'm going to show you my full feet.
I went with something really comfortable to aid climbing. My backpack contained my water bottle, my sunscreen, and my sunglasses. And in Bauchi, there are lots of mountains, or will I say rocks? There are just a lot everywhere.
Hey guys, these are the rest of my colleagues, and this is the mountain we are climbing.
Hey guys.
Meet Fize!
Hey guys, the hiking is real. Yeah, man.
Life in Bauchi. So, wish me luck.
Nothing do, man. Around the world, they will see you today. NTA. What be that? AIT. Waiting. All they will see by today.
God. When I not them sitting like this in the day.
Oh, like this. I'm videoing as you're climbing.
One time.
What's happening there? Let's go. Move it.
Move it. There.
Where are they? Okay.
Jesus, I can't look back!
Don't look back! Come front! If not, you become salt.
Yay!
You need help. Okay, no, I need to climb the sun. Yeah, let's go. Oh! We're outside. Yeah, bro.
I need help.
You need help? Which type of help you need?
Pull up through, come through.
That's why we have a leader here.
Don't follow here.
Let me follow road.
See my guys.
Wait, comrade, Mimi. How about this guy, man?
All these Indomie generations. Talk now, talk to your fans.
Hi guys. Bastards.
Your phone they heavy you.
Okay, it's time for me to come up higher.
Doctor, it's time for you.
Are you going or not?
Don't come back.
I'll go Hey! This senior man. Esther, one love.
Hey. To climb, not to come down.
No, I didn't.
Mimi's vlog.
Now I leave it with this, I can't go up there.
See it, guys.
I should give you my hand. Let's sit down like Thank you, sir.
Not sit down like that. Not sit down like that. The gathering.
This is the most
Is it okay? Yeah. Oga, come join us here.
You just come up for them, make see that. All this land at this bar.
I
Go
swear.
down, guy.
I don't even see the fence there.
They don't do fences.
No fence.
That fence they see na burial ground. See the fence wey they see for school, see that place they fence. Na two. That place na burial ground. Okay, that place. Fence. See the shadow.
mommy more.
Na there we follow go back.
Okay.
Oh yeah, now.
They are coming key.
I'm going to move again.
No, don't worry.
Make person hold my ass.
So today they will show your nyash, no problem.
Congratulations. She made it.
Everywhere the only doctor in the building. Mimi made it last. Eh? She made it though.
Okay.
Come back.
Madagascar, please.
Like all the pictures that they're
Yeah. What's up? One time. Yeah, hiking, man. You know what it looks like when a man wants to feel.
My face is not showing. Oh my hand.
Just 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds.
myself
30
now.
seconds. Don't no pass 30 seconds.
Hello.
Hey.
How are you?
Don't they do like the way card they do?
Hi, children.
That's my fans. Hey, close. My fans.
Bro, what I say?
My fans.
What I say, bro? Cielo.
One time.
What's
I'm in
up?
the building. You know what it looks like. We're outside to explore our environment. You know what it looks like. Nature is very beautiful. One time. What's up? We're outside, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, this is First Lady Esther in the building.
One time. Mama, what's up?
Governor of Plateau.
One time. What's up? Yeah. Where my TikTok guests? Yeah. Shout out to my CLO. Big name. Wait. Brasaminu, what's up? Only ACLO we get doing. Malians. Polo. Yeah, chilling. One time. Back man pass man.
Yes,
I
my
make
wife's
some
on
men
bed,
put
yeah.
iron door for their house. Who they check?
Cielo pass Cielo.
Who they zuzu?
Now once of Cielo, they carry us go.
Wait, make
Oh,
I bust your head. If you get headache, see who you go meet. The keys in the building. And our mommy Gio, say what's up? Sasa with our say bless you to the camera.
Guys, we're going down now. I'm scared.
Get up.
Okay. I'm stuck here because I cannot move.
You don't fall.
That one, how they go next? That top, you go touch up.
Go, stand up.
Okay. Hey, it's you.
Amiraso is coming like James Bond now, like she can do it.
Guys, see. Can you see my colleagues? This is where I'm going down, and I'm the last person. They have all left me. Guy.
I got home really tired and I couldn't end the vlog. So please like, comment, share, subscribe. I love you. Yeah, I just went out to get dinner at this new joint I saw. And their food was good. I'm surprised. Thank you for watching. I love you.